Hi, this is Mrs. S with Owltree Montessori, and today we are going to classify triangles by the length of their sides. You can use the triangle drawer from the geometry cabinet, or you can use the geometry cabinet shape puzzle to give this lesson. I am going to demonstrate using the geometry shape puzzle. You can see we have our 7 triangles here, just like they have in the triangle drawer with the geometry cabinet. The first step is going to be naming these triangles and giving their definition. I have already written out the definitions, so I'm prepared to give this lesson. This is the equilateral triangle. I'm going to rotate this shape in its frame, and I want you to tell me what you observe. This shape rotated very easily and fit back in no matter which position I put it in. The equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. Here's our label, equilateral. The word equilateral comes from a Latin word equa, which means equal, and lateral, which means side. So the Latin word gives us the name equilateral. Here's our definition. We have 3 equal sides. This is the isosceles triangle. Let's rotate this shape in the frame as well. What if I flip it and rotate it through? Oh, it fits right back in if I flip the shape. The isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. Here's our label, isosceles. It comes from a Greek word that means equal legs, and you could almost imagine it standing on these 2 equal legs. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. This is the scalene triangle. Let's rotate this and observe what we see. Let's try flipping it. So close. Let's flip it this way. How about this way? Oh, again, so close, but not quite here on this upper corner. The scalene triangle has no equal sides. Here is our label, scalene. It comes from the Latin word scala, which means ladder. The early Romans used ladders to pick the fruit in their orchards, and each rung of the ladder was a different length. So if any 3 of these rungs were used to build a triangle, it would be a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has no equal sides. Now that we have identified, named, and given a definition for the 3 types of triangles by sides, I'm going to invite the students to show me how they will identify the other remaining triangles. And then I'm going to ask them to tell me what the name of the triangle is and what its definition is. Let's see if we can classify the remaining triangles here. Show me by rotating this triangle if it's equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. And I'll have the student rotate and flip it. Or you can rotate it and pass it through the frame from the drawer, and we can see that it has 2 equal sides. How many sides does it have that are the same? 2, and that is, and I'll have the student name isosceles. Now show me this triangle. Let's rotate it and flip it. And we see that it has 2 equal sides. You're right. So what triangle is this? What type of triangle is this? Isosceles. Very good. We have 2 left. Let's do this one first. Rotate it, flip it. Oh, we're just seeing it's not fitting back in. No matter how we flip or rotate, there are no equal sides. So it is, you are right, scalene. Try with this. Show me this one. And we rotate, and it is not going to fit in, so it is what? No equal sides. We call that scalene. Can you show me a scalene triangle? Yes. What is a scalene triangle? Has no equal sides. Can you show me an equilateral triangle? Yes. What is an equilateral triangle? It has 3 equal sides. Can you show me an isosceles triangle? Yes. What is an isosceles triangle? It's a triangle with two sides. For their follow-up work, you can invite your children to make a booklet with these shapes. They can get this work out and match it, classify these triangles from the drawer or from the shape puzzle. I'm also going to invite the children to use another material from our shelf to practice this new skill of classifying triangles by their sides. These are the triangles from our detective triangle game. I wonder if you could classify and organize these triangles by the length of their sides.